Hello everyone. Welcome to this detailed Microsoft Copilot tutorial. In today's video, I'll walk you through all you need to know to harness the full potential of this advanced AI tool. From creating content to generating images, Copilot offers many possibilities that can transform the way you work. Microsoft Copilot is an AI-powered assistant developed to help with a wide variety of tasks. This free-to-use chatbot provides numerous features to support users in everything from generating blog posts and emails to summarizing large chunks of text with a simple copy and paste function. Moreover, it even includes the ability to generate images directly in the chat and to conduct web searches, offering concise, reader-friendly summaries of web pages. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of its capabilities and learn how to maximize your productivity with it. To get started, visit the official Microsoft Copilot website at copilot.microsoft.com, where you can access the platform on both desktop and mobile devices. Microsoft Copilot's mobile apps offer the same extensive functionality, letting you carry Copilot's capabilities with you wherever you go. First, click on Sign In and log in with your Microsoft account, whether it's for personal or professional use. Signing in is essential to unlock extended chat features, enabling you to ask more questions and engage in longer, more detailed conversations. Once you're signed in, your name will appear on the page, confirming that you're ready to explore Copilot's full range of abilities. On the main interface, you'll notice a prompt box where you can type any question or request. If you're new to Copilot, don't worry, Microsoft provides sample prompts to help you get started, which you can easily copy and paste to try out various features. You'll also find 3 distinct modes to choose from: balanced, creative, and precise. Each mode has a specific focus. Balanced mode, distinguished by its blue color scheme, is great for everyday tasks, delivering well-rounded responses. Creative mode is ideal for generating imaginative content, such as poetry or fictional storylines, while precise mode excels in research tasks, providing well-defined factual answers. I usually start with balanced mode for general inquiries, and in this tutorial, I'll guide you through a sample business question. Imagine, for instance, that I own a small coffee shop and want ideas for boosting customer loyalty. Copilot can generate useful strategies instantly. When responding to queries, Copilot combines 2 main sources of information: its vast built-in knowledge base and live content from the web. This blend allows Copilot to provide smooth conversational responses without requiring you to sift through external links like a typical search engine would. This streamlined approach is particularly helpful for business and personal tasks, where you need quick, easily digestible insights without the hassle of manual searches. Once Copilot generates an answer, you can interact with the response in several ways. Options include giving feedback with thumbs up or thumbs down icons, copying either the entire answer or specific parts of it, and exporting the content to formats like Microsoft Word, PDF, or plain text by clicking Export. The Share button creates a link to your chat session, which you can share with others. Additionally, if you want more information, there's a Search on Bing option, or you can ask Copilot to read the answer aloud. At the top of the chat, you'll notice a counter, like 1 out of 30, indicating how many interactions you have left in that session. After reaching the interaction limit, you can click New Topic to start a fresh conversation. One standout feature of Copilot is its ability to continue discussions. For instance, if a response mentions social media marketing strategies, you can ask it to dive deeper into that topic. This feature maintains the context of the conversation, enabling continuous, relevant discussions within a single session. Switching to creative mode, let's say you're working on a fictional story about a time traveler altering history. If the initial response doesn't align with your intended style, you can easily prompt Copilot to adjust its tone, such as shifting to a comedic approach. This adaptability makes Copilot an excellent tool for customizing content according to specific project needs. In AI terms, this customization process is often referred to as prompt engineering. As you gain experience, you'll refine your prompts, which leads to even better responses from Copilot. Copilot also supports image generation. For example, you could ask it to create a unique logo for an ice cream shop featuring a unicorn. Copilot will generate several logo options, which you can download or further edit in Microsoft Designer. Microsoft Designer, an advanced design tool, lets you customize elements such as colors, text, and image positioning, enhancing the creative potential of Copilot for visual projects. In addition to generating images, Copilot can analyze them. By uploading an image, whether it contains text or visual data, you can prompt Copilot to identify and analyze elements within it. This feature is helpful for gaining insights from photos, graphs, or design assets. Copilot also saves your previous interactions in a conversation history, so you can revisit past chats, delete, share, or export them as needed. For those who need specialized assistance, Copilot offers GPTs, task-specific bots tailored to particular purposes, like vacation planning or fitness advice. These GPTs simplify workflows, making it easy to access specialized insights. On the main page, you'll also find plugins that you can enable to expand Copilot's functionality. For instance, you can turn off web search to focus solely on Copilot's internal knowledge base, or activate plugins like Instacart for shopping, Kayak for travel, and Suno for generating music. Suno even allows you to create songs from text prompts, complete with lyrics and melody. For those interested in even more advanced capabilities, there's Copilot Pro, a paid version that integrates directly with Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. This integration brings Copilot's functionality into your favorite Microsoft applications, enhancing productivity within familiar tools. Copilot Pro is available for about $20 per month, providing priority access during peak hours and ensuring reliable performance. The AI that powers Copilot is based on ChatGPT's GPT-4, which means that you're accessing a high-level AI model without needing a separate ChatGPT subscription. However, note that free users may occasionally experience slower response times during peak usage. If you're interested in learning more about effectively interacting with AI chatbots, consider exploring prompt engineering, a field focused on refining prompts to get the best results from AI models. Mastering this skill enables you to communicate with AI more precisely, leading to accurate and helpful responses. Platforms like Skill Leap AI offer extensive courses on Copilot, ChatGPT, prompt engineering, and other leading AI tools. For a single subscription fee, you can access a range of courses updated regularly, helping you stay current with advancements in AI. That's a wrap for this tutorial. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.